It's harvest at South Coast Winery. This year the bountiful grapes are coming in just beautifully. Our Chardonnay here is being gently dumped from our gondolas into the receiving hopper. Whole cluster or machine harvested fruit in either case is gently placed into the hopper where it is moved along with the conveyor screw. We were gently pulling the grapes into the harvester. And you can see the lovely grapes are being gently conveyed onto a incline where preliminary sorting is done by hand. Leaves and other material is removed that we don't want going into the distemmer. And as the grapes go up the incline or inspected, then only the solid whole clusters or sound grapes are then placed into the distemmer, and any stems are removed, leaves that may have been missed will be ejected, and the grapes fall onto the sorting table where another hand sorting is done to remove anything that again is not sound fruit that we want going into the press. And as the grapes leave the sorting table, they go into the must pump, which moves the fruit then to the wine press. Wine press, this hose here is feeding the press, and the press is then, this is a special jacketed press in which the grapes are cooled at the same time that they're being squeezed, and the juice then will be extracted and pumped to a waiting tank, and the vintage begins.